students, so in this module we are going to be talking about the period we call as pregnancy. Now when we talk about pregnancy, students, we use another term for pregnancy, which is gestation period. And what exactly is pregnancy or gestation period? It's the condition of carrying one embryo or sometimes more than one embryo in the uterus. And how long is the pregnancy period in human students? It is 280 days from the start of the last menstrual cycle. And if we calculate from the fertilization, we calculate it as 266 days. And why so? Because students, fertilization occurs only when the ovulation occurs. And ovulation happens on the 14th day. So we have to subtract 14 days from the 280 days. That gives us the time period from the fertilization. Now pregnancy, students, we divide it into 3 phases or 3 trimesters. Pregnancy is in months, 9 months long. And we divide these 9 months into 3 parts. First trimester, the first 3 months. Second trimester, the next 3 months. And the last 3 months, the final trimester or the third trimester. Now let's see what are the changes which occur in pregnancy during each of these phases. Changes in fetus and changes in mother too. Talking about first trimester, as far as the changes in mother are concerned, students, placenta starts growing. Maternal part of the placenta grows and the uterus becomes larger. Although the pregnancy is not very obvious during this trimester, students, hormone levels, progesterone level goes high in mother's blood, and because of this, students, ovulation stops. Progesterone levels prevent further ovulation and menstrual cycle. So progesterone, it prevents ovulation and menstrual cycle. Initial 2 to 4 weeks, embryo obtains all the nutrients directly from the endometrium or from the mother. Now, what are the changes which are happening in the embryo at this stage? Main period of organ formation is happening in the embryo. In this picture also, students, you can see the embryo in here, and you can see this dark part where we can see the liver is being formed here. 5 centimeter long is the embryo. Almost half of your index finger, that's 5 centimeter long. At 8 weeks, all the structures of adult are present in the embryo now. So that's the reason we start calling an embryo a fetus. So at 8 weeks, we can call it a fetus now. And how long did we say is the embryo? It's 5 centimeter long. This much. Now in second trimester, students, let's see what are the various changes in the mother first. Uterus grows even bigger. Now the pregnancy starts showing. Pregnancy becomes obvious. Hormone level stabilizes as HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, it starts declining now. Corpus luteum deteriorates. And why corpus luteum is deteriorating now? Because another important structure is formed which is taking over its function. Which is that structure? Placenta. So placenta completely takes over the production of progesterone, the pregnancy hormone. About 30 centimeter long is the fetus now. Now that's pretty big. Fetus is very active, kicking starts at this stage. In the third or final trimester, students, now here we see fetus has grown real big. So because of that reason, mother's abdominal organs become compressed or they become squeezed and pressed. So this is going to put pressure on various abdominal organs, also on urinary bladder, so which leads to frequent urination because bladder cannot store a lot of urine. So frequent urination happens. digestive blockages because it is compressing intestines too. Strain in the back muscles because of big fetus. Fetus grows to around 3 to 4 kgs in weight. And how long it is now? It's around 50 centimeter in length. Third or final trimester students. Now that is a beautiful picture of third trimester. During the last 10 weeks of pregnancy, students, fetus or unborn babies are listening to their mother talk. Now that's an interesting fact for you. So in this module, we took care of pregnancy, and next module we are going to be talking about placenta. Till then, take care.